We are proudly introducing new and improved content management features. We've added new content statuses, a publication workflow, improved filters for search and content, an editorial calendar, and refined permissions for the editor role. We've enhanced our filters and moved them to the top of the listings, making them easier to use and your overview more visually appealing. Your most used filters appear directly, while additional options are available in the Filters overview. Click Filters to refine your content, member, or reporting view. All filters can be set in a user-friendly pop-up. A notification in the filters shows how many are active, ensuring you always have a clear overview of your selections. Clearing all filters is just one click away. Use the drop-down on the right to sort listings alphabetically, by relevance or by date. Every content item, such as courses and programs for LMS or news, pages, documents, and events for intranet, now has a content status. The standard status options are draft, when working on an item, scheduled for later publication, published, and archived. A new feature, available as an add-on module, is the publishing workflow. This allows you to set up a workflow where editors or managers must review content before it goes live. With the workflow enabled, users can submit content, courses, news articles, pages, documents, for review to an editor or manager. The author can include a comment with their submission and notify the relevant editor or manager for review. Editors receive a notification to review submissions. They can request changes or publish the content. To schedule content for later, you can set an exact date and time, or publish it immediately and optionally add an expiration date. After completing the review cycle, the content is published and visible on the platform. The History tab shows all actions and comments on the content. In the news article overview in the intranet, we've added an editorial calendar. The calendar shows when news articles were published and which dates have scheduled publications. Lastly, we've updated permissions for the editor role. Editors can now add, edit, and review content. The ability to create and manage spaces is now exclusively for space or platform managers, ensuring a clearer and more structured permission system. Simplify, organize, publish. Try the new tools today.